Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner and you would like to learn about the chart pattern indicators, and all those basic stuff, then I have a separate playlist where you can learn about the basic stuff and you'll get a good knowledge about it. Okay, so let's jump to the chart. So this is the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, and if you have watched my previous video, then you know what is going on. Okay, the chart looks very much easy, okay, but the things are a little bit complicated. And okay, so I would like to mention again that this is a sell on rise kind of a market. Whenever market is in downtrend and market is getting resistance, okay, then the market becomes very easy for us to trade. Whenever market will be getting resistance, it will reverse. Okay, we just short the market here, here, here. Okay, these were the trading opportunities or shorting opportunities for us, and right now we can see that market is at 1.203 and market is trading here, and we can see that market is still getting resistance from the 50 moving average. And if we consider the overall the trend of the market, then there is no doubt about it that yes, market is in downtrend. Okay, but I have already shown you that there is a complication in this chart. Okay, if you remember correctly, this black line, okay, I told you that this black line has got significance because when we switch to the weekly time frame or we look at the weekly time frame, we get to see that market has market has got a support here. Market has a support from the year 2017, though it is 2017, or right now we are in 2021, still this support is very important, because if you look here, you can see that there was a resistance in the year 2016. Market was very much bullish, market was going up, then market reversed from this particular point. It happened in the year 2016, and this particular level is still acting as a resistance for the market. So my point is, if a resistance from the year 2016 is valid, then a support from 2017 is still valid, and we can see that right now market is just standing at the support. Okay, if I switch to the 4 hours time frame again, we can see that market has crossed the support. Okay, market has crossed the black line, but that does not mean that market has broke the support. Okay, because if I zoom in, you can see that market has formed a green candle right now. Before that, market formed a red candle, but there was price rejection from below. Before that also, market formed a red candle, but there was price rejection from below, which means that market is not completely under the dominance of the sellers. There are some forces present in the market who are still trying to take the price upward. Therefore, be very cautious, and most importantly, market is also in the oversold zone. Therefore, if you are not convinced with my theory that there is a support from the 2017, if you are not convinced with the theory, then still you need to wait, because market is an oversold zone. This is not the correct position to short the market. So what we should be doing now? First and foremost, okay, if market forms a green candle or a big green candle, then do not buy right away. It can be a pullback also. Okay, it can be a retracement. Okay, you do not know, there will be a struggle between the bulls and the bears. So if the market forms a green candle here, big green candle, okay, And if you want to go for a safe trading, then do not buy right away. Wait for at least one day and just observe the price and observe the market, because see, market is in under the seller's dominance or seller's territory. Okay, market is under heavy selling pressure for quite a long time. So single candlestick cannot determine that the bulls are back again, bulls are ready to take the market upward. Okay, so a single candlestick cannot determine, therefore you need to wait for at least one day. Okay, if you want to take risk, then it's your call, but I'll suggest that wait for at least one day, and then we will decide what we should be doing next. On the other hand, if you see that market has formed a small green candle, and like previous times, market is going up little bit, taking or getting resistance from the 50 moving average. Okay, market is reversing from the 50 moving average, then you can go for a small order, short the market. You won't be you may not get a very good profit, but you will be making a small profit, quick profit of 20-30 pips. Okay, so wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market right now. In case it goes up, okay, in case it goes up with huge amount of volume, okay, you can wait for one day to observe the market, because market is in under the seller's dominance for quite a long time. Okay, or if you want to take risk, your call. On the other hand, okay, if market gets resistance from the 50 moving average, comes down, reverses from the 50 moving average, you can short the market for a quick profit of 20-30 pips at least. But overall right now, for me, okay, for me, or according to my analysis, this market is kind of critical. Okay, we should observe it right now. It was very easy, it was sell on rise kind of a market, but right now things have become a little complicated, so we should observe. This is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.